Hey. Bless you. Bless you. I don't know. I didn't even touch him. Bless you.
Ginger, what are we gonna do now? You guys want some sandwiches?
Hunter's dead.
Well, no sandwich for him.
No.
Pretty.
Nice doggy.